Under this system, with first resort, you don't have to wait for the builder to go broke, die, or disappear.
So the other one, Keith, obviously with the insurance and dispute resolution also moving under the BBC, what are the key benefits for home buyers, and are there any benefits of that change to the builders as well, I guess?
Look, for the insurance system, we don't yet know exactly how it's going to work. There's currently some consultation underway with industry about the way the insurance claim should work and how builders should be able to get access to the insurance, or what we're now calling prescribed minimum financial requirements, will be pretty critical. But at its heart, the insurance will be designed to deal with a situation where a client's got a claim, the builder has refused or failed to fix it, and the client wants to get their problem fixed. Under this system, with first resort, you don't have to wait for the builder to go broke, die, or disappear. With the current system, that's what has to happen. And there are cases, particularly if the builder is disreputable, where they can delay putting their company into some form of liquidation and leave the consumer waiting. And that obviously isn't a great outcome, particularly when it's clear which way the whole thing is going to go eventually. So the first resort insurance does remove that incentive to drag it out. So that's not a bad thing. The challenge will be, though, how does the system work? If the rectification order system, which is going to be the trigger for insurance being paid out if the builder's still around, if that system becomes too easy for clients to get orders, very quickly you can see insurance claims going up, and that means only one other thing goes up: premiums. And that is the real concern, because premiums don't get paid for by builders. They're part of the contract price. They're part of the cost for the consumer. So if we find that premiums start skyrocketing because the claim system is too generous, we will very quickly see the premiums increase to an extent that it makes housing unaffordability an even worse issue than it already is. So that is a real concern. The other challenge would be that if the system's tight and too tight for builders getting cover, you'll find there's less builders available able to take on jobs. And that could also have an impact on costs. Because if you're a consumer who wants to get a builder and you're being told, well, look, you go and talk to 5 builders and 3 of them say, look, sorry, we don't have enough space for you at the moment. We don't have the policies to buy. You'll have to wait. You suddenly find yourself stuck with 2 builders to talk to. Now, that's not great for competition, and it's not great for choice. So there are challenges there as well.